How exactly can you change your Facebook password? Well, we'll be going over that in today's video. The process has changed quite a bit since the introduction of the broader Meta account settings on Facebook, so that is why it is now done via your whole Meta account. So here's exactly how you do it. Starting off with how you do it on just the regular facebook.com browser version. What you want to do is click on your profile picture in the top right and then go into settings and privacy. And then from there, click into settings, which should be the top option right there. Next, in this next screen, you will see a bunch of options on the left hand side, and at the very top you'll see a window for the Meta Account Center with some clickable text at the very bottom which says see more in Account Center. So click on that, which should open up a brand new tab. There on the left hand side you will see a password and security option, so you want to click on that. And just like that, you'll be taken to this screen, where the topmost option will be to change password, so click on that. Next up, it will ask you which account you want to change it for. If you have multiple Facebook accounts linked to the same Meta account, most people will only have their own single Facebook account, so just click on that. It will then bring up the final screen where you need to enter whatever your current password is, then enter your new password, and then finally re-enter that same new password. There's also an option to log out of other devices that still use your old password. Otherwise, you may just be re-logged in with the new password in any active sessions. Then just click the change password button at the very bottom and your new password is set. Now let's go over what the process looks like over in the mobile app. What you want to do is either swipe right or tap on those three lines and then tap on settings and privacy. And then from there, go into settings, which will be the topmost option. There at the very top you once again see that same little window for the Meta Account Center and the same blue text at the bottom. Then near the top you will see password and security, so you want to tap into that, and then the topmost option will be to change password, so tap on that just like before. Once again it will ask you what account you want to do it for, and then the same window as before will pop up where you need to enter the current password, the new password, and then re-enter it yet again, with the same option below to log out of other devices, and then tap on the blue change password button at the very bottom. But what if you want to change the password because you can't remember it? First, you can't even log in to Facebook. Well, don't worry, because you can log in without a password just using a special code sent to your email, so that way you can log in and then change your password. So once you're logging in, you can select to use a different method rather than your password. When you click on that option, it will then allow you to log in by sending a code to the email address linked with your account. So just select that option and then enter the code that you're sent. It will then simply log you in, and you can use the method we described earlier to change your password. So that's exactly how you can change your password over on Facebook, both on desktop and on mobile. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.